In today's video, I am going to teach you how to copy Google Stitch files into Figma. We will use the recommended method, the Stitch to Figma plugin, so you can take a design built in Google Stitch and bring it into Figma as clean, editable frames with auto layout. Start by opening your design in Google Stitch. Make sure the version you want to transfer is on screen and ready to go. A little prep here pays off. Confirm your components are organized, frames and sections are clearly named, and any placeholder content is set. The cleaner the structure in Stitch, the easier your layers will be to work with once they land in Figma. Next, download the project as a zip. In Stitch, look for the More Options menu above your design and choose Download. This saves a .zip file to your computer. Keep it zipped. The plugin reads the archive as is, so here is no need to extract it. If you want, you can rename the file for clarity. But don't change its contents. It's also a good idea to remember where it was saved so you can grab it quickly in the next step. Now move over to Figma. Go to the Plugins area. Then install and open the Stitch to Figma plugin. If you haven't installed it yet, open Figma's Resources or Plugins browser, search for Stitch to Figma, and click Install. Once installed, open the plugin so you see its import panel. Have the Figma file or page open where you want the content to appear. The import will create native frames there. With the plugin panel open, upload the zip you just downloaded from Stitch. You can drag and drop it into the plugin or use the file picker. The plugin will parse the archive and convert the design into native Figma frames with auto layout applied. This means your spacing, stacking, and responsiveness will behave like any other Figma layout, making it much easier to edit and maintain. Give the conversion a moment to finish, especially on larger files. After import, scan the layers to confirm names and hierarchy look right. If any fonts are missing, install or activate them so text renders correctly. Check auto layout settings like direction, gaps, and padding to make sure they match your intent from Stitch. Minor adjustments are normal and usually quick. From here, you can style, prototype, and collaborate in Figma just as you would with any native file. That's it. Thanks for watching.